12 money verbs in English. Learn fast with examples. Do you want to speak about money in English like the natives do? In this video, you'll learn 12 must-know money verbs with clear definitions, simple examples, and a short quiz at the end. Let's get started. Number 1, be worth. Be worth means to have a particular value, especially in money. Example, this painting is worth $1 million. Number 2, borrow. Borrow means to take something for a short time and return it later. Example, I need to borrow some money from my friend Musa. Number 3, can't afford. Can't afford means not to have enough money for something. Example, I can't afford to buy a new car right now. Number 4, charge. Charge means to ask someone to pay an amount for something. Example, the restaurant charged us $50 for dinner. 5, cost. Cost means to require a certain amount of money. Example, this dress cost $100. 6, earn. Earn means to get money for work or services. Example, he earns $3,000 a month. 7, inherit. Inherit means to receive money or property from someone after they die. Example, she inherited her grandmother's house. 8, invest. Invest means to put money into something to make a profit. Example, they invested money in a new technology company. 9, lend. Lend means to give someone something for a short time, expecting it to be returned. Example, can you lend me $20? 10, owe. Owe means to have to pay someone money. Example, I owe him $50. 11, raise. Raise means to collect money for something. Example, they raised money for the local school. 12, save. Save means to keep money instead of spending it. Example, I'm saving money for a trip to Europe. 13, waste. Waste means to use money in a careless way. Example, don't waste your money on useless things. Quiz. Let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blank with the correct money verb. Number 1, I $200 every week from my job. I earn $200 every week from my job. Number 2, we money for the new hospital. Answer, we raised money for the new hospital. Number 3, his uncle's car after he passed away. He inherited his uncle's car after he passed away. Number 4, can you me $50 until Friday? Answer, can you lend me $50 until Friday? Number 5, don't your money on things you don't need. Don't waste your money on things you don't need. Great job! How many money verbs did you already know? And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons every week. Freestyle American English.